Many people have trouble breathing and take medicine to help them breathe better. Medicine for your lungs can be taken many ways. One way is by a Respimat inhaler. The Respimat inhaler is a special device that lets you take a set amount or dose of medicine into the lungs. This video will show you how to use your Respimat inhaler the right way. When the Respimat inhaler cap is on, it keeps the mouthpiece clean. It also won't let the medicine out by accident. The mouthpiece is where you breathe in the medicine. The counter keeps track of how many doses of medicine you have left. When it is twisted, the clear base preps the medicine. When pushed, the dose release button sends the medicine through the mouthpiece for you to breathe in. How to use your Respimat inhaler. It is important to wash your hands with warm soapy water and then dry them before using your Respimat inhaler. To get your medicine ready, twist the clear plastic base in the direction of the arrow until it clicks. When it clicks, your medicine is ready to take. Next, open the Respimat inhaler by flipping the cap to the side. When you are ready to begin your treatment, blow all the air out of your lungs slowly. Place the Respimat inhaler mouthpiece in your mouth. Seal it with your lips. It is important to not cover the air vents. While sitting up, hold the Respimat inhaler and press the dose release button with your finger. At the same time, take a slow, deep breath through your mouth. You only need to breathe in one time. If you breathe in again, you will not get more medicine. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. This lets the medicine go deeper into your lungs. After you're done with the treatment, close the cap until the next time you need to use it. Check your Respimat inhaler counter after every time you use it to make sure you have enough medicine for the next treatment.